The Boundary Committee of Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council yesterday held a meeting with the stakeholders to discuss the border settlement between Assam and Meghalaya. The KHADC is working towards establishing a unified voice among community leaders from 5 distinct areas of border disputes ahead of the visit of the regional committees to the places. The KHADC held a meeting with community leaders on Friday. The community leaders who attended the meeting are from Dej Domria, Nongwa, Mautamur, Borduar, Langpi and Block 2. Talking to newsmen, KHADC's Deputy Chief Executive Member PNCM said the council wanted to ensure that the residents of these 5 disputed areas express the desire before the regional committees that they want to be a part of Meghalaya.
area of difference. Sim khairim lawan bat kajing tunduk jing berasni kalau syai bang ikwa iya kawa ipai ba ke basyong an bisnong kin yami pai ba hakanu kan gopor ba kahiar ka regional committee jongka begelya berasap ban penpau pai ba ya ka jing lakoi jungki wil ke jungki ban ya don lang bat ka state begelya